Hey guys, this is a 2020 Ford F-350 diesel XLT. Brand new from Real Deal Auto. Is a rebuilt title, had front end damage. All fixed up as you can see. Dully. Side steps. Start it up. 73,378 on the miles. Cruise. 4-wheel drive. Tow package. Heated seats. 360 camera. Lane assist. Power windows, locks, power folding mirrors. VIN number. Fifth wheel prep. Does have the tailgate step here. Comes out. Again, this is a rebuilt title, front end damage, all fixed up. Diesel motor. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.